Hello everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you how to turn an angle in MicroSurvey CAD. To get started, go up to the top and click MSCOGO. Then move over to the left and click Compute Points by Turned Angle. Once here, you now have to select a line to compute the angle from, making sure you click closer to the side that you want to start from. So as soon as I click, this arrow shows that I've started from point 4. Next, hit Enter to choose the Turned Angle option. Now, when turning an angle, MSCAD considers a turn to the right a positive turn, and a turn to the left a negative. So type your desired turn angle, and in this case, a positive 165 to turn it right, and then hit Enter. Now, like all COGO calculations, you just have to enter the distance and description of the point at the end of the turn, that point's number, and then the side to place the bearing. So you can plainly see that this new line is turned by 165 degrees from the first line we chose. And that's about it. Please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps us out. And if you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.